Marshals, look alive, racers, less than 5. Nice and easy, guys, nice and easy through this first turn. Nice and easy, the tree.
Oh, okay, that was not my fault. No!
Oh, Tuck, relax. Oh, Jeremy. Nice and easy, guys. Let's see who got that on front. That is A-Dog in front, all alone. A-Dog all alone. Jeremy in that second spot. Lucius in third. In the fourth, Steve and Chuck Nasty. Dante was making fun of you, Doc. He said that oh, he said shut your mouth, Dante, or else he's gonna put a A-Dog, Jeremy, Lucius, Steve, Pat, and Chuck Nasty. Jeremy out in front in that first spot. Jeremy's killing it in that blue and orange truck. But he's only 2.7 seconds behind. I mean, it's fine. Hey, Tuck, just take no one. Just go.
Yeah. Comes back in.
You said it again.
It ain't gonna go in. Don't worry about it. It ain't gonna go in. Don't worry about it. Oh no, is the bulk up? It's tight.
Dimitris in the second spot. Remember, we got the points on the line. We got points on the line, guys. You guys are gonna have to come home with some nice trophies. So just so you guys know, we have Central Coasters next Saturday, April 7th. And then the last race is going to be April 17th, I believe, at Bilberg. Bilberg is going to be hosting our finale race. We'll try to get some trophy girls or trophy men, whichever.
Oh! Don't ask, don't tell.
Your leader is in that blue and orange. Pat in the second spot. Oh, and they get stuck. It's alright, Tuck, just get in the way. He needs distractions, he's too far out in front. Pat is like 5 seconds behind you, that's not that, that's far. That's like 2 laps. Dimitris in the second spot, and he flips it over, so Pat gets, oh, and Pat gets stuck too. It's like, so how did TT, oh man, what's going on, man? Hey, how did TTN start? Let's have a conversation right now. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, so Trump. Trump, okay, because Trump has money. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, gotcha. We got Jeremy out of front, but A-Dog in the second spot. Come out of nowhere, A-Dog. The Burger Man. Thank you for the wonderful burgers.
The Burger Man.
Thank you. Thank you for feeding us today. Appreciate it. That's what SoCal is all about. The community. Backing, you know. Jeremy, A-Dog, Juices, Pat Bonita, Pat Nasty, and Steve. And I'm off the mic, guys. Have a good one.
35 seconds to go. Jeremy is holding it down. A-Dog in the 2. Demoshish, no. Pat taking away that 3 spot. Demoshish in the 4. Tuck Nasty in the 5. Steve rounding out that field. So your fast lap belongs to Jeremy with a 16.7. Next fastest, we have A-Dog with a 17.4 and Pat with a 17.2. Just click that by that lap. 9 seconds to go, drivers. Now this time on the match clock, race him to the line, race him to the line. Pat, you're done for the 2 spot. Nice job. A-Dog in the 3, Chuck in the 5, Jeremy in the 1, Demoshish in the 4. And
The ring came out again.
that's a race. Nice job.